I'm going to share with you in this video 8 tips of what you need to be doing if you or a loved one just lost your job or you think you might lose your job. I'm Tony Hansman with Guardian Financial, and I help families just like you in or nearing retirement. And losing a job, especially if it was unexpected, can be extremely stressful. Now stay with me because my favorite tip is the very last one. Number 1, assess the financial situation. Start by creating a comprehensive overview of your finances. This includes understanding your current savings, checking, investment accounts, as well as any outstanding debt such as loans and credit card balances. I encourage you to calculate your monthly expenses to get a clear picture of your financial obligations. Number 2, review that budget. Once you have a clear understanding of your financial situation, then the next step is to categorize the expenses into fixed, such as rent and mortgage payments, and variable expenses, which are going to be groceries and entertainment categories. Identify areas where you can reduce spending temporarily to stretch those savings even further. Number 3, apply for unemployment benefits. Apply for unemployment benefits through your state's unemployment program. Gather the necessary documents and complete the application process promptly to minimize any sort of delays in receiving those benefits. Number 4, explore healthcare options. Losing employer-sponsored health insurance can be a significant concern. Discover the various options available for maintaining healthcare coverage, such as continuing coverage through COBRA, purchasing an individual health insurance plan through the health insurance marketplace, or exploring eligibility for Medicaid or other government-assisted programs. Number 5, update the resume and the LinkedIn profile. Update your resume and LinkedIn profile to make them more attractive to potential employers. It's important to showcase your skills, your accomplishments, and relevant experience in a clear and concise manner. Number 6, consider temporary or freelance work. Explore temporary or freelance opportunities to generate income while still searching for a permanent job. Look for freelance work online and learn how to market your skills effectively to potential clients. Number 7, upskill or retrain. Discuss the possibilities to use this time to invest in further education or training to enhance your skills and qualifications. Identify relevant courses, certifications, and workshops that align with your career goals and stay competitive in the job market. And number 8, consider the pros and cons of rolling your 401k over into an IRA. Now's the time to get everything in order effectively so you can avoid making money mistakes. There can be big benefits in rolling money from your 401k into an IRA. One, just having a licensed professional assist with diversification, access to the cash, risk reduction, but my favorite, tax planning. If you lost your job and income is down, now may be a prime time to convert some money or some of those dollars to Roth IRAs or other tax-free places. A Roth can grow tax-free, withdrawals can be tax-free, and you can leave it to loved ones tax-free. I call it the perfect trifecta. Most importantly, stay positive and keep a healthy mindset. Things always work out, just keep pushing forward. If this happens to you, or even if you think it might happen, we are licensed professionals and can help you prepare and adjust to such a transition. If this was helpful, please hit that like and subscribe button, and as always, consult a licensed professional who understands your specific goals and dreams.